Kelvin King here, Chief Executive Officer of Alpha Drones USA. I am excited to invite you, the employer, to participate and to partner with me on a revolutionary program at Alpha Drones USA. Our training program has been a tremendous success across the United States. We've developed hundreds of FAA Part 107 licensed operators that are now prepared to go out into the marketplace and to thrive. I'm now looking to partner with hiring employers that are looking for work-ready professional aviators that are interview-ready, that are ready to go out into the marketplace and to make a big difference for you and your corporation. So the hiring program is a program where we look to establish a hiring partnership with employers. We're looking for you to come in and join our hiring program. Joining our hiring program will give you all kinds of advantages, from being given a time slot at our monthly job conferences where you can present your hiring needs to our graduates and give them a taste of what it will be like to work for you. And then what we would look to do on our end at Alpha Drones is have our career coaches prepare our graduates to interview with you should you have an interest in looking at specific graduates in our program. So joining our hiring program, partnering with us, is really going to help us shape and build this really exciting industry that is being molded to thrive in the 2030s and beyond. So look forward to you joining us. We're excited to have you. Thank you for working with Alpha Drones USA. Let's get started.